Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to add pages on Shopify. So if you have a store on Shopify, you want to add some pages such as refund policy, anything like that, I'm going to show you how you can add a custom page. So first of all, go to the dashboard of Shopify, then go to online store, and then go to pages right here. So here either you have already some pages or not, like I don't have one. So you can go ahead and hit add page. Edit titles, for example, refund policy. Then enter in all the content you have. So I'm going to do an example because I don't have anything to put here, but just enter in all the content you want here, like pictures, text, anything like that. Visible, you can set it visible. I'm going to hide it for now because I don't want to make it public. Theme template, just the default page that I have for my store, or you can do a contact page if this is your contact page. Then hit save, and now when you go to pages again, you can see that this is where it comes up. So this is basically how you can add pages onto your Shopify store. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.